Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about the liquid crystal display and how to use it on your Arduino. So first, I have to say that I have a blue colored LCD, which is the shortened form of liquid crystal display. So here, as we discussed in our previous video, it also has only 4 pins. So mostly the people have about 16 pins, which is hard to wire. So here you could get a converter module. You could solder it onto your uh, LCD board, and if you can't solder it, you could go to a local store, like where they sell Arduino stuff, and I guess they'll do it for you. And so I ordered one with the board module soldered. So I didn't want to like go to any store. So it also has the same pins as the OLED screen, which is GND, VCC, SDA, and SDL. So without further ado, let's go and see how to use it. All right. So I'll tell you how to install the packages, I mean libraries, onto the Arduino IDE and upload it, and I'll show it to you how it works. All right. So guys, I'm on my Arduino IDE right now. So here you have to install the liquid crystal library here. So just copy it and paste it here. All right. I've noticed that the pins, no, the appliances with 4 pins with VCC, GND, SCL, and SDA are known as I2C, right? Weird name. So, anyways, just go here and click on install. It's right here, this one, all right? And let it install it onto here. So give it a few seconds. So start installing like this. So see, you can see that it's already installed. So it won't take that much time. So it will show here, instead of install, it will show remove after it has done. Right. So let it install for a few seconds. Oh, now it's done installing the library. Let me just get this a bit small. So here it uses the wire edge library. Let me give you a brief explanation on this. This not a library you normally install. It's already built in on your Arduino IDE because well, it's used for I2C and other types of wiring methods. So then you go on to liquid crystal. So this is specifically made for the 1 2 LCD displays. So it will set our screen. So you should choose from these ones. So these are the sizes. So my one's this. So I've chosen this. Don't worry, the code will be in the description below. You could download it. So it will initialize the LCD and then turn on the backlight. So backlight means there's a small LED panel, like a white colored LED panel, which hits onto the our LCD, which makes the ability of reading the text on the screen. So it's very easy. And then you could see, it will set the cursor as same as the OLED screen, which we did in the previous video. And then it will say, simply print hello imeth. And then in the second bar line, it will print Arduino LCD. So let's upload the code, right? And then let's see it in action. All right, let's see it in action. So guys, I've got my LCD display over here and my Arduino UNO. I just uploaded the code. So this is the same wiring I had from the OLED display. So here, remember, just keep the wiring as same. Alright, so let's get to wiring. So now I'll take the A5th pin onto the SCL of our LCD display. Alright, so SCL connected, and now I'm going to connect the A4th pin, that means the analog 4th, to the SD pin. Alright, right here. And now now the G and D pin, I'll connect it onto our G and D pin of the LCD over here, like so. And then finally fix the VCC pin, which is connected to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. So you can see that I've this board is our 16 pin to 1 I2C display. Alright, so here you can see that it's displaying a bunch of random stuff. So let me refresh this. Alright, so if you get that blocks of text, just reset the board and this should display it like this. I think it's a bit pretty cool. Oh, the wirings are loose. Here, let me fix it back and then reset the board. Alright, so we are back again. Troublesome board. Alright, sorry guys, I'm having a bit of a trouble here. So now, as you can see, the backlight means this white color light which is emitted on the side. See, you can see, and it's fitting onto this liquid on top of the screen. And see, you can see our names here. So unfortunately, not like the OLED screen, we cannot add any graphics to this. So this can only be used for like letters and symbols, not like graphics which are moving. You could make some blocky movements, not like those round shaped movements. If you are making that, it will take some time, because you can make it, but it will be extremely hard. Alright, so that's it. So let's move back onto my screen. I hope you enjoyed doing this project of the LCD display. If you have any problems, or if you have the 16 pin LCD, just send me a email to my Gmail, imethwimalaweera@gmail.com, and I will reply as soon as possible. And if you have any issues, you could also email me, or you could drop it in the comments below. All right. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video if you have any Arduino interested friends. All right. So let's meet in the next video.